So as you all know, I'm an Apple freak, and it's been what, 2 decades. I have switched from Windows to Apple platform, and yes, I am using an Android, and it's the nothing phone. Well, this has really impressed me in terms of the way the UI, the UX, and the device itself, the hardware, the technology that's built into it, that has transformed the way I saw Android in the past years, and the little things that make a difference. What I'm going to show you today is the Watch Pro. So now this is something which shocked me, not just from the design and the styling that Nothing Phone has managed to deliver through this CMF brand. And I think one of the key factors here is not just the design and the form factor. I think it's their approach to simplicity and price point, the affordability. $69. Now let's see if this lives up to my expectation, and if my Apple Watch is going to be replaced with my new Watch Pro on Android.